before you take another pill for back pain, walk with me. I'm going to show you 5 different herbs that can help your back pain naturally. Come on, let's go. These 5 herbs sometimes are found in your backyard and you don't even know that these herbs are real and they help with back pain. But in this video, I am going to show you 5 powerful herbs that can ease and melt your back pain naturally. But before we dive into it, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and follow me for more natural herbal remedies. Alright, we are coming up to herb number 1, and I'm going to tell you from experience, you know, playing cricket, I had a back injury, right? And I had excruciating back pain, right? And one of the herbs that really helped me, you know, is this particular first herb here, right? I wanted to learn what it is because it is a very important herb. It is one that has given me an excellent relief from back pain. All right, so here it is. Chanca, Piedra, also known as seed under leaf. Though it may appear to be small as an herb, it is really powerful. And one thing to understand, it doesn't matter if a herb is tiny. Our Heavenly Father Yahweh has placed within these amazing herbs the power to help heal our bodies, restore our health, and make us well again. Don't forget, the herbs are for the healing of the nation. Chanca Piedra, as we mentioned earlier, is also known as seed under leaf, right? And you can look at it, right? You will see the little seeds underneath the leaves right here. This is why we call it seed under leaf, right? So this herb in particular, it is excellent for like lower back pain, right? Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, right? Especially for persons with kidney inflammation, kidney disease, persons with kidney problems and have that lower back pain, or persons with back injury. This is really an option for you, right? We also call it the stone breaker for all the persons with kidney stones, gallstones, right? This is really the herb for you. It helps to dissolve kidney stones. It helps to break them, right? It helps to prevent kidney stones as well. And for persons with urinary tract infection, this herb is also ideal for you. If you're experiencing that bad back pain as I have experienced before, right? This is what helped me, and this is what helped to melt my back pain, right? You can actually make a tea with the Chanca Piedra, like using a sprig like this, right? And you can boil in 2 to 3 cups of water for like 3 to 5 minutes. You can drink like 1 to 2 cups a day to help with your back pain. It is anti-inflammatory and it is ideal for helping to reduce that horrible back pain. So if you have a UTI, you can definitely benefit greatly from Chanca Piedra or seed under leaf. If you're having kidney problems, you can also benefit from this. This is an excellent herb for back pain. But here's what, we have 4 more powerful herbs to come, right? That are very powerful, very incredible, right? And amazing for addressing and dealing with your back pain, right? The last one is one of the most powerful herbs for back pain. So you have to stick around to the end of this video to see the last one in particular. Remember to hit the notification and continue to follow. Let's go. All right, people. So the next herb or plant, right, is called the Tuna cactus. This is one of Jamaica's oldest remedies for back pain. So here it is, people. The Tuna cactus, right? Inside it, you will find healing, natural healing for back pain, right? This plant, you can actually cut it, right? And what will happen is that when you apply the Tuna cactus on the back, it will help to pull the heat from the back, right? Help reduce inflammation and help to alleviate pain. So here's a close-up of the Tuna cactus. As we mentioned earlier, it is one of the oldest natural remedies for inflammation, pain, back pain, and also people for joint pain. right? So it helps with tightness of the muscles, right? And you can actually crush the tuna cactus and apply it to the skin as a poultice. You can also mix it with coconut oil for deeper penetration. But here's what, people, I want to say this one that you can actually hear me. In Jamaica, we would wash it, we would slice it up, right? We place it in a container and we would pour fresh coconut water over the tuna cactus slices, right? And leave this to soak for about 24 to 48 hours, right? After it is soaked for 24 to 48 hours, you will get a slimy liquid. When you consume this tuna cactus water, I am telling you, it reduces inflammation in the body. It helps with back pain. It helps with joint pain as well. I just wanted you to know and understand this because we are going to move on to herb number 3. But remember, the 5th one is one of the most powerful herbs for back pain. All right, so stick around. If you have not yet smash that subscribe button, remember to do it now. If you have not yet hit that notification bell, remember to do it now. And if you have not yet shared any of my videos, remember to share this one. All right, people, herb number 3 is right here, and it is sweetsop leaves, right? A lot of us are aware of the fruit, right? So we love the fruit, and the fruit is excellent for like mucus. If you have like sore throat, it is excellent for that. If you have like dry coughing, it's also excellent for that, right? But the sweetsop leaves, they are so powerful because it actually helps the nerves, right? You can actually brew tea using the leaves and it can help with nerve repair. Not only that, it contains anti-inflammatory properties, right? And I just want you to have a close-up look at the leaves because we know the fruit. Here's the fruit, but I want us to really look at the leaves. The leaves are rich in natural alkaloids that relax muscles and ease nerve pain. Sweetsop leaf is excellent for sciatica and nerve-related back pain. You can boil 5 to 6 leaves for about 10 minutes in 3 to 4 cups of water. You can drink warm before bed. It helps calm the nerves, relax the spine, and promote deep sleep so the body can heal overnight. And this is why sweetsop leaves is the 3rd herb listed in this video for back pain. We still have 2 more to come. And remember, the last one is very important. It's one of the most powerful herbs on the planet for back pain. But you have to stick around to the end to see what it is. Number 4, people, is Cuban oregano. And I'm telling you, this is an excellent, powerful herb when it comes down to its anti-inflammatory properties, right? Very, very powerful. You also call it the Chinese thyme or broadleaf thyme here in Jamaica, right? As I mentioned before, this is one of the powerful herbs, very, very effective in reducing inflammation, excellent for like cold muscles and also tension in the back. So look at it here. I want you to have a close-up of the Cuban oregano. It's important for us to learn and understand our herb because the herbs are given to us by Yahweh for the healing of the nations. This powerful leaf right here contains thymol and carvacrol, natural compounds that help relieve pain and boost circulation naturally. You can crush the leaves and mix them with warm castor oil to make a rubbing oil for lower back pain. So when you pick the fresh Cuban oregano leaves, right, naturally you would wash it and then you would crush the leaf, right, and then you'd place the crushed leaf into warm castor oil. This rubbing oil created will help blood flow, better circulation, and melts away stiffness. Finally, you can brew a tea using the leaves of the Cuban oregano to make a powerful anti-inflammatory remedy that will help to reduce inflammation and reduce pain naturally. You can boil like 3 to 4 Cuban oregano leaves in like 3 cups of water for 5 to 7 minutes. You can drink a cup in the morning and a cup in the evening, and this will help you, right? So this herb right here is herb number 4 out of the 5 herbs that we have to help melt your back pain naturally. The last one, people, as I mentioned to you, it's one of the most powerful natural remedies on the planet, right? And I want you to stick around so that you can see and understand and identify what this herb really is. If you have not yet smashed that subscribe button, do so now. If you have not yet hit the notification bell, do so now. If you have not yet shared any of my videos, make sure that you don't forget to share this one. You can share it now. Come, let's go. Herb number 5 for back pain. Follow me. All right, people. Herb number 5 is this right here, the castor bean plant. From this plant comes one of the oldest, most powerful healing oils, the castor oil. So the castor bean plant, it is so powerful, and medicine literally comes from it. Healing natural remedies. And guess what? I have 2 plants right here, right? So I have this one right here, and come and follow me. I want to show you the other one. This one actually has the castor beans on it, right? So I want to show you the beans itself, right? From which we get one of the most powerful healing oils in Jamaica. Here it is. All right, so here's the castor bean. Really potent stuff you're looking at, right? This is the beans that are used to make the famous castor bean oil or castor oil. All right, so these are not yet dried, right? Because when they are dried is when we normally use them to make the famous castor oil. There are a lot of healing properties found in the beans, right? That actually help to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and relax tense muscles. That's why generations before us used it for joint pain, back strain, and even menstrual cramps. So this is a powerful remedy, right? So if you're having back pain, you can just use like the castor oil, and you can use it warm as a gentle massage to massage the area for quick relief, right? In another video, I can actually show you how to make your own castor oil. If you're interested in that, you can comment below, that I would love to learn the full process. All right, so for all the persons who are still here, who have stick around to the end, remember to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and remember to share this video with your friends to help my channel to grow. If you would like to learn 3 natural teas to help detoxify the kidneys, liver, and purify the blood, you can watch this video here. One love. Shalom.